Students, in standard 8, topic number 13, congruence of triangle. In last video, we had seen about what is meant by congruence of triangle. We had seen the correspondence of the triangle and what definition of the congruence of triangle. Today, we will see some test on the congruence of triangle. That is test on congruence. We will see here. Why we will see here? See, to show a pair of triangles are congruent, we need some of the necessary data. That is, some sides are congruent or some angles are congruent. In two triangles, there are sides are congruent or angles congruent. So from this, we define the test of the congruence. There are tests on the congruence. What are the tests? Today we will see. So let's start. First test, see here. First test is two side and included angle. Two side means दोन side and included angle. Included angle म्हणजे तिच्या मधला angle. In last video we had seen what is meant by included angle, दोन्हीच्या मधला, दोन साइडच्या मधला. Therefore here we write short as SAS test. Two side and included angle, मधला angle. Therefore we call it as SAS test. Look at the figure here. See here, side here identical marks are given. Here AB is congruent with LM. Side AB is congruent with side LM. Angle BC here, angle ABC is congruent with angle LMN. And last one, BC, side BC is congruent with side MN, here given. From figure we write these all three conditions. Observe here, there is two sides and between angle means included angle. Here also observe there are two sides and the included angle is there. So this test is called as SAS test. We write in words as if two sides and included angle of a triangle are congruent with two corresponding sides and included angle of the other triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent with each other. Understand the meaning? If two sides and included angle of one triangle is congruent with two sides and included angle of other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent with each other. Okay? Statement is सोपा बघा. Diagram मध्ये तुम्ही लिहू शकता statement. See, if two sides and included angle of a triangle are congruent with corresponding two sides and included angle of the other triangle, then the triangles are congruent with each other. So here triangle ABC and triangle LMN are congruent with each other. We can write here triangle. Which both triangles are congruent here? See, angle B is congruent with angle M. Side AB is congruent with side LM. ABC is congruent with LMN. Okay? Understand the first test? Means SAS test. Two side and included angle. Here you remember only two side and included angle, not here angle. The sides are here and angle is here. No, it is not possible. SAS test. So two साइडांच्या मधलाच अँगल पाहिजे, दोन साइडांच्या मधलाच अँगल इथं पाहिजे. तुम्हाला NMMS ला पण अशा टाइपचे क्वेश्चन असतात. NMMS ला पण हा टॉपिक आहे. NMMS ला देखील आपल्याला काय विचारतात? टेस्ट ओळखा, ट्रायंगल मध्ये टेस्ट ओळखा म्हणून सांगतात. मग त्यावेळी तुम्हाला हे ओळखता येणं गरजेचं आहे. See the second test. Three corresponding sides. Three sides here given means the test we call it as SSS test. Why SSS test? here 3 corresponding sides are given. Means all 3 sides of one triangle are congruent with all 3 sides of the other triangle. Therefore, we here write SSS means side test. Okay. See here figure. In the figure, AB is congruent with LM. Here, LM. Okay. So here AB is congruent with LM. BC is congruent with MN. BC is congruent with here MN. BC is congruent with MN. So triangle ABC congruent triangle LMN. Okay. How to write the statement? If 3 sides of a triangle are congruent with 3 corresponding sides of other triangle, then the 2 triangles are said to be congruent. See, if 3 sides of a triangle are congruent with 3 corresponding sides of other triangle, then we call it as these 2 triangles are congruent. This test is called a SSS test. See the third test. 2 angles and their included side. 2 angles and their included side means 2 angles are there and included side means madli side येणार. 2 angle and included side means ASA test. How we write here ASA test? See, if two angles of a triangle and included side included by them are congruent with 2 corresponding angles and included side of the other triangle, then we call it as these 2 triangles are congruent with each other. See statement once again. 2 angles, if 2 angles and the side included by them, 2 angles and the side included by them are congruent with 2 corresponding angles and side included by them, then the 2 triangles are congruent with each other. We call it as ASA test. From figure we write, see here which angle? Angle B means angle ABC is congruent with which angle here? Angle LMN. And which is the side here? Side BC is congruent with side MN. And last angle, C angle ACB is congruent with angle M, angle LMN. Therefore, which 2 triangles are congruent here? See, हा ट्रायंगल ज्यांना करस्पॉन्डन्स लिहायचा आहे, व्यवस्थित लिहायचा आहे. कसं लिहिता येईल बघा? B ला कोणता आहे? N. B ला कोणता आहे? N. C ला कोणता आहे? M. What remains here? A and here L. Means triangle ABC is congruent with triangle LLMM. Okay, this test is called as ASA test. Here you remember 2 angles and included side. 2 angle and included side. Here side must be included in 2 angles. इकडे दुसरीकडे साइड असून चालणार नाही. 2 अँगलच्या मध्येच साइड असणं गरजेचं आहे. See the fourth test, AAS or SAA test. What is mean here? Angle side or side angle test. Here if 2 angles of a triangle and a side not included by them. See here word not included by them. Word is very important because the side is included between them, then it becomes ASA test. दोघांच्या मध्ये साइड असेल तर काय कुठली टेस्ट होणार आहे? ASA टेस्ट होणार आहे. Here AAS test means 2 angles and side not included by them. जे दोन्ही मधली साइड येणार नाही. If 2 angles of a triangle and side not included by them are congruent with corresponding angles and the corresponding side not included by them of the other triangle, then the triangles are congruent with each other. अर्थ कळला का? दोन एंगल आणि त्याच्या मधली साइड न घ्यायची नाहीये. हे दुसऱ्या ट्रायंगलचे दोन एंगल आणि नॉट इन्क्लुडेड साइडशी कॉन्ग्रुएंट असतील तर ते दोन ट्रायंगल काय असतात? कॉन्ग्रुएंट असतात. I explain with figure here. See, here two triangles are given. Observe the figure. Angle A is congruent with angle L. Identical marks are given here. Angle B is congruent with angle N. And see, side BC is congruent with side MN here. So here observe these two angles and side is not included. बघा हे दोन एंगलच्या मधली साइड आहे का ही कॉन्ग्रुएंट? नाही. दोन एंगलच्या इन्क्लुडेड नसलेली साइड आहे. नॉट इन्क्लुडेड बाय देम. हे दोन एंगलने इन्क्लूड न केलेली कुठली पण साइड चालते दोन्हीपैकी. ओके, लक्षात आलं का अर्थ? ह्या दोन साइडच्या इन्क्लुडेड साइड सोडून कोणतीही दोन साइड चालते. ह्या दोन एंगलच्या इन्क्लुडेड साइड कोणती आहे? LN. ही सोडून कोणतीही दोन साइडपैकी एक साइड चालेल. सो इन फिगर हियर वी राइट एज first right angle ABC congruent with angle LNM. Then second angle BAC congruent with angle LLM. And last one, side BC is congruent with side MM. Means two angles and side not included by them. Two angles and side not included by them. Or we call it as SAA test also. Means side and the two angles not included by these two sides. Therefore we write triangle. Which two triangles are congruent here? See, angle A ला कोणता है? L. Angle B ला कोणता है? N. So remains C and here it remains N. So these two triangles, triangle ABC, congruent triangle LLNM by SAA or AAS test. This test is called as AAS or SAA test. You understand the difference between ASA test? See, ASA test म्हणजे काय असणार आहे? दोन एंगलच्या मधली साइड असणार आणि SAA और AAS ह्याला काय असणार आहे? दोन एंगल आणि साइड नॉट इन्क्लुडेड बाय देम असणार आहे. हा दोन्ही मधला फरक आहे. दोन्हीकडे दोन एंगलच आहेत आणि एक साइडच आहे, पण ह्यामध्ये जी साइड आहे ती काय आहे? इन्क्लुडेड साइड आहे, त्याच्या मधली आहे. आणि ह्यामध्ये जी साइड आहे ती नॉट इन्क्लुडेड बाय दीज टू एंगल्स. ओके, now see the last test, fifth one, hypotenuse side test for right angled triangle. Here the test name is, see what is the test name? Hypotenuse side test. Here word is hypotenuse, so it is test for right angled triangle. हे तुम्हाला लक्षात आलं पाहिजे. राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल साठी आपण काय म्हणतोय? कर्णाला काय म्हणतोय आपण? हायपोटेन्यूस. सो इट इज अ टेस्ट फॉर right angled triangle. Hypotenuse side test for right angled triangle. We call this test as hypotenuse side test. So in this test what happens? Hypotenuse is congruent and one side is congruent. So here statement is, what is the statement? If the hypotenuse and a side of a right angled triangle are congruent with the hypotenuse and the corresponding side of the other right angle triangle, then the two triangles are congruent with each other. Understand? Hypotenuse and side of one triangle are congruent with the hypotenuse and corresponding side of the other triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent with each other. See here in the figure, I had drawn here two right angled triangles, namely triangle ABC and triangle LMN. Here hypotenuse is AC and here hypotenuse is LN. And which are the sides here? AB is side, BC is side, MN is side and LM is here side given. So here what are the identical marks here? See, first we write 90-degree angle. Angle ABC congruent with angle LMN, because these are both angles are of 90 degree. And then write hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Which one is the hypotenuse here? AC is congruent with hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse is LN. And last one, side. Which one is side here? AB. This side AB is congruent with which side? Side LN. Side AB is congruent with side LN. So here right angle triangle. So we first mention right angle and then mention hypotenuse and then side. Right angle, hypotenuse and side. Therefore, here these both triangles are congruent by hypotenuse side test. Which one are the congruent? See here, A, C. Hypotenuse AC ला कोणता आहे? LN. LN. And here I write middle B. Here I write middle N. So triangle ABC is congruent with triangle LMN. Okay, understand? So students, we observe the test for congruence. First test we see is SAS test. Second, SSS test. Third, ASA test. Fourth, AAS test. And last one, hypotenuse side test. Look at once again. First test is SAS, means here you remember only two sides and included angle of one triangle are congruent with two corresponding sides and included angle of the other triangle. Second, SSS test, side test. If all three angles of first triangle are congruent with corresponding all three sides of other triangle, then we call it as the two triangles are congruent by SSS test. Third one, ASA, angle side angle. If two angles and included side here, two angles and included side च्या मधली side घ्यायची. If two angles and included side of one triangle are congruent with corresponding two angles and included side of the other triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent by ASA test. Next, fourth one is AAS or SAA test. Here side काय बघा बाजूला आहे. दोन्ही अँगलच्या मध्ये का? यामध्ये दोन्ही अँगलच्या मध्ये साइड होती. पण यामध्ये काय आहे? दोन्ही अँगलच्या साइड आहे. If two angles and side not included by them are congruent with two angles and corresponding not included side of the other triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent by AAS or SAA test. And last one is fifth, hypotenuse side test. It is for right angled triangle. This test is for right angled triangle. Here there must be right angled triangle and hypotenuse and side of one triangle are congruent with hypotenuse and corresponding side of the other triangle. Then we call two triangles are congruent by hypotenuse side test. So here we completed the test. Which are the 5 tests we had completed. Now we will see examples on it. See the examples on the congruence of triangle. Test of congruence of triangle. Question is given, state the test and correspondence of vertices by which triangles in each pair are congruent. इथे ट्रायंगलचे पेयर दिलेले आहेत. ते कोणत्या टेस्ट नुसार आणि कोणत्या करस्पॉन्डन्स नुसार कॉन्ग्रुएंट आहेत हे आपल्याला विचारलेलं आहे. State the test and correspondence of vertices. वर्टाइसेसच्या कुठल्या correspondence मध्ये congruent आहेत असं विचारलेलं आहे. Observe the figure here. There are identical marks are given. KL is congruent with PQ. KM is congruent with PR. And LM is congruent with QR. Means here three sides of one triangle are congruent with corresponding three sides of other triangle. एका ट्रायंगल तीन साइड दुसऱ्या ट्रायंगल तीन साइडची करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स कॉमन आहेत येतं म्हणजे कुठली टेस्ट येणार आहे तर SSS टेस्ट. Therefore by SSS टेस्ट by SSS टेस्ट and we have to write correspondence. In the correspondence which correspondence is here? Vertices CKL. KL ला कोणता येतं PQ. then LM ला कोणता आहे QR. observe here KL PQ, LM QR and KM ला कोणता आहे PR, KM ला कोणता आहे PR. So by this correspondence and by SSS test, these two triangles are said to be congruent triangle. Now see the second figure. Here there are two triangles. You observe two triangles here, not separately, but here there are two triangles formed. Which are the triangles here? Triangle ABD and triangle BCD. These are the two triangles formed here. So here you observe, see, this is triangle ABD and this is triangle BCD. You notice here side BD is in the both the triangles. Side BD दोन्ही triangle मध्ये आहे का? Observe केलं का तुम्ही? So here side BD is here common side. आणि कॉमन असेल तर ती कॉन्ग्रुएंट असणार आहे की नाही? असणार आहे. BD is congruent with PD. So here one side is congruent and see, observe angle ABD is congruent with angle CBD. Here identical marks are here and here also ADB congruent CDB. Means here you observe these two angles and included side of this triangle congruent with two angles and included side of the other triangle. And here name, this is the first triangle and this is the second. So here two angles and included side, two angles and included side. Means here which test? ASA test by ASA test. In the correspondence कोणता correspondence आहे vertices here? See, observe कोणता correspondence होता? First we write this angle ADB means angle D. Here also angle D. Then side DB, here also side DB and remains A, here remains C. So by this correspondence you may write as you start with B, BAD and BCD. You may write this correspondence of vertices. So by this correspondence we write ASA test. By this test these two triangles are said to be congruent triangles. Understand two examples? See them now. See two examples. Here two triangles are formed. This is first triangle and this is second. So observe here there is right angle triangle, 90 degree is given. So this is hypotenuse side test असण्याची शक्यता आहे. बघूया हायपोटेन्यूज कोणता होणार आहे? पहिल्या ट्रायंगलचा हायपोटेन्यूज कोणता येणार आहे? AD and second triangleचा हायपोटेन्यूज कोणता आहे? CD. And side, which one is sides here? Triangle ABD and triangle CBD. यामध्ये BD कॉमन आहे का साइड दोन्ही मध्ये आहे का? In both the triangles BD side there, therefore BD is side here common, therefore BD is congruent with BD here. So which tester? Side is congruent and hypotenuse is congruent given. So by hypotenuse side test, by hypotenuse side test, in the correspondence, which correspondence is here? See, first write AD, then here hypotenuse is CD, and then remains here B, here remains B. Observe angle B ला B आहे का? आहे. AD ला कोणता आहे? CD आणि BD ला कोणता आहे? BD. So by ABD correspondence CBD, 1-to-1 correspondence CBD, and by hypotenuse side test, these two triangles are said to be congruent triangles. And fourth example, observe, this is the first triangle and this is second triangle. Name this triangle WZX and WZY. These are the two triangles. Here observe identical marks. XW is congruent with YW. And from these triangles, observe, with हात फिरवायला तुम्ही observe करा. Here side WZ is common here. दोन्ही मध्ये आहे का WZ? Means WZ is congruent with WZ. Means this side and angle and this side. Side, angle, this side. Means SAS test. Here test name is SAS test. By SAS test, in the correspondence, which one is the correspondence here? Observe XW. XW ला कोणता आहे? YW. Then angle W remains Z. So by SAS test in the correspondence XWZ, 1-to-1 correspondence YWZ, these two triangles are said to be congruent triangles. So students, today we had seen test of congruence of triangle, that are the 5 tests: SSS test, SAS test, SSA test, ASA test, and last hypotenuse side test. And we had already seen some examples on it. So your today's homework is write test of congruence of triangle. Write all the 5 tests with figure, so you understand it. And also try solve practice set 13.1 in your notebook. Okay, thank you.